In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on and off caps lock on iPhone. So basically open up any messaging app like WhatsApp, Telegram or whatever you use to send out your messages. And if you see if I type out, it's going to the first big letter and then small letters. But if you see this arrow, if I click on it, now the letters are big. If I click on it, now they are small. If I double click on it, all of the letters will now be big. And same if I turn it off, now all will be small. And that's basically how you do it. Click or just like double click it so that all is in caps lock. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and also let me know in the comments below if this video helped you.